Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna do a meal prep, and I'm gonna show you the things that I'm gonna prep today for Easter. So let's get started. I'm gonna do some chicken on the grill. I've already seasoned the chicken about an hour ago with this. I'm gonna let it sit for like 2 hours before I put it on the grill. I've been marinating this salmon for about an hour. It will marinate in the same seasoning that I used on the chicken. This is 2.3 pounds of salmon. So I'm gonna place it on the grill. I'm gonna make some burgers, keto burgers with no bun. Make some keto cheeseburgers. And I love Frank's hot dogs. These are uncured turkey franks. They have 1 carb and I think it's 0. I think they have one gram of sugar, which I don't have them that often, so I'm gonna have them today. But I love salmon, so this is gonna be great on that grill. Outside, this is my grill. It's not ready yet, but I'm working on it. So this is where I'm gonna cook everything when it gets hot enough. Okay, it's getting there. It's not quite ready. So the coals are turning white, so that's when you wanna, when all of the coals are white, that's when you wanna place your meat on the grill. Loaded up the grill with chicken thighs and chicken wings. So the heat is pretty hot, you can see there. So I placed the chicken on the opposite side of the fire. The chicken is cooking in direct heat. And this gauge, when I first came out, it was 300 degrees, so it's got to warm back up. I just placed the salmon on the top level. The smoker is about 200 degrees right now. And the chicken's been cooking for about an hour. So I'm gonna close the top, so I will be back in 15 minutes for this. It's a beautiful day out today. I'm checking on the fish. It's not quite done yet. And the chicken, I'm gonna rotate up. And move the chicken over. I move the chicken over because the fire is a lot lower now, so it's not gonna burn it. So I'm going to take the salmon off because it is ready. It looks really good, tasty. Can't wait to taste it. Oh, it looks so good. Here's the skin here. Took it off the grill. It was too long for me to take it off in one piece, but it looks awesome. I'm gonna taste the skin. I usually don't like the skin, but since it's on the grill, it's very crispy. Very good. See how nice and tender. And juicy the salmon is. Salmon is just so juicy and moist, and all that beautiful fat coming out of it. Okay, the chicken is almost done. I'm just gonna leave it out here until my family gets here. This is cooking nice and slow. It's not cooking fast at all, so it'll be fine.
I'm from Chicago and I plan on moving to Texas.
Wonderful. Wow. Hold on 1 second. I want to count the three.
Get around the fly.
Zachary, move over a little bit. A little bit this way, yeah. Okay, 1, 2.
I'm having a fantastic time today. I'm really enjoying the company of Betty and Bill and my son Zachary and his girlfriend Ariana. And I'm still stuffing my face with this excellent food that Betty has made this day.
Thank you, thank you. We welcome you guys too, and God bless you guys.
You too.
If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Have a wonderful day.